Every year on November 4, Ganga Utsav celebrates the Ganga's declaration as India's national river, an occasion that underscores the cultural, ecological and spiritual importance of our rivers. This year, district Ganga committees across Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand and West Bengal hosted events, with the main celebration taking place in Ayodhya on 5th of November, coinciding with the auspicious Kartik Purnima held at Dr. Ram Manohar Lohia Awadh University. The Ayodhya event beautifully blended faith and conservation. Students, Ganga Praharis and local citizens gathered in large numbers, while artists brought the river's message alive through inspiring songs and performances. Addressing the gathering, V.L. Kanta Rao, Secretary in the Ministry of Jal Shakti, said millions that the Ganga is not just a river, must be the lifeline of India's culture, responsibility of protecting the Ganga and its tributaries.
गंगा का जो महत्व ये है कि देश की आदि आबादी और देश की आदि आर्थिक व्यवस्था गंगा और गंगा के सहायक नदियों से जुड़े हुए हैं। माने गंगा इतना बड़ा रिवर सिस्टम है कि 11 राज्यों से उसका ताल्लुक है और लगभग 100 शहर गंगा और गंगा के जो सहायक नदियों के किनारे बसे हुए हैं और लगभग 150 जिले ऐसे हैं जो गंगा और गंगा के सहायक नदियों के से संबंधित हैं।
After the program, the secretary visited the Saryu Ghats and released a large number of fishlings, a gesture aimed at strengthening the river's aquatic biodiversity. Later in the evening, he joined the Saryu sustainable fisheries, where the glow of countless lamps underscored his message that true faith is meaningful only when paired with responsibility, and that safeguarding the river is as essential as worshipping it.
आरती तो आस्था से जुड़ी हुई है। आरती के साथ साथ जो लोग इस नदी और इस मंदिर से जो अपनी आस्था रखते हैं और जो पूजा करते हैं, उसके साथ साथ हमें नदी का संरक्षण भी करना है।
The Ganga Utsav in Ayodhya became a powerful platform for inspiring awareness about rivers, faith and conservation. Held under the Namami Gange initiative, the event stood out as a meaningful and motivating step towards protecting and rejuvenating our rivers.